If your AirPods sound quieter than they should, this video will walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. If this helps, consider subscribing. Alright, let's start with the most effective fix first, that is resetting your AirPods. This clears out any connection issues that might be causing the low volume. So step 1 is forget your AirPods from your phone. Now open the settings on your iPhone, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods in the list, tap that small eye icon next to them. Then tap forget this device and then confirm it. Okay, so once you've removed the AirPods from your phone, the next step is resetting the AirPods. Open the lid of the case, but keep the AirPods inside. Now if you have AirPods 1, 2, 3, or AirPods Pro 1 or AirPods Pro 2, look for a small round button on the back of the case. Press and hold it for about 15 seconds. You'll see the light on the case flash amber, then white. That means it's reset. If you've got AirPods 4 or AirPods Pro 3, these are the newer versions and they don't have a button at the back, the process is slightly different. I'll have the steps on my screen for you to follow and reset your AirPods. So what you basically have to do is, with the lid open and the status light on, double tap the front of the case. Then double tap again when the light flashes white. Then double tap one more time when the light flashes faster. Wait for it to flash amber, then white. That's your reset done. Okay, so now we've reset the AirPods, we removed it from the phone. The next step is restart your iPhone. Before reconnecting your AirPods, quickly restart your phone. Press and hold the side button and a volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now, one last step. What you have to do is open the lid of the case near your iPhone. A pairing prompt should pop up on the screen. Follow the steps to connect. Now test your volume. If it's back to normal, you're done. If the volume is still low, the next thing to check is the physical condition of your AirPods. Earwax and debris buildup on the speaker mesh is one of the most common reasons AirPods sound quieter over time. Take a dry cotton swab or a soft bristled toothbrush and gently clean the mesh on each AirPod. I've got this specialized AirPod cleaning tool that I'm using. Don't use water or alcohol or anything wet directly on the speaker. Just dry and gentle. After cleaning, test them again. If that still didn't help, there's a setting on your iPhone that could be capping the volume without you realizing it. It is called Reduce Loud Sounds. Open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap Headphone Safety. If Reduce Loud Sound is turned on, I would suggest to turn it off completely or drag the slider to the right to raise the limit. Check if your AirPods are louder now. If you're still not getting enough volume, there's one more thing worth trying. It's a feature in accessibility that can actually boost how your AirPods process sound. Open the settings, tap Accessibility, then tap Audio and Visual. Tap Headphone Accommodations, turn it on, select Balance Tone, and then under Level, set Strong to amplify the softer sounds. And that's it. Those are all the fixes for low volume on AirPods. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like it. It really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this one. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.